our project was more of like a passive data layer for capturing a lot of this information in this ecosystem. And when I talk about like negotiating over airspace, that really happens pre-flight. That's like like an operator is going to submit an operational intent where they want to fly, and then if there's a constraint that some other operator is flying there, then they have to go talk to some other service called the DSS, and that's going to come back with a constraint saying, hey, this other person's flying there. You need to go talk to them. So then you have to go talk to really this can be handled in software. It's the PSU because it talks to that other PSU, which is the provider of services for UAM. Um, that's the software that kind of manages some region of airspace, but there might be multiple that have overlapping regions. So that's why you might have to go talk to a different one. And that's kind of the negotiation over the airspace I was kind of referring to. And that's all happens before flight. So that negotiation is one of the things that we wanted to capture in the blockchain. So when you propose an operational intent, any constraints that come in, whatever finally gets approved, and who made those constraints, all that stuff we wanted to save in the blockchain. And then in terms of telemetry, we weren't regularly running things on the vehicles themselves. We had like an agent that ran on our vehicle, on our vehicle payload really, that simulated just the telemetry coming down, but that probably would be better integrated into whoever the operator software already, whatever that already exists, whatever they're already using. Um, so we just kind of got the telemetry into the blockchain via some API at some point, and from our perspective, it was up to the operating companies to do that. So that could change with in a different system or something, but in this case, that's how we had it working. So it was just up to the companies to or the organizations to push their own data into the blockchain via an API.